This one mistake can silently kill your career. Based on my experience, I have reviewed thousands of LinkedIn profiles from fresh graduates to senior professionals. And I can tell you this with confidence that most people are being rejected before their profile is even read. Why? Because of one picture. Friends, your LinkedIn profile picture might be costing you job opportunities and you don't even realize it. Recruiters decide whether to open your LinkedIn profile in less than 30 seconds. Before they read your experience, your certifications, they see your photo. In this video, I will share 9 types of LinkedIn profile photos that could be destroying your career and simple fixes you can apply today. You must understand that LinkedIn is not social media for fun. It's your professional marketplace. So your profile picture is your digital handshake. And if that handshake is weak, awkward, or unprofessional, recruiters move on silently. Now, let me start with the most common mistake I see on LinkedIn. This is something I have personally seen across hundreds of profiles. This is type 1, no profile picture, no profile photo. So, if you don't have a profile photo at all, that's already a red flag. Profiles without photos look incomplete and untrustworthy. Recruiters often assume that you are either inactive or not serious about your career. A simple fix: any clear professional headshot is better than no photo. Type 2, casual or party photos or wedding photos or beach photos or party selfies. Friends, these belong to Instagram and not LinkedIn. They send one message: I don't understand the professional boundaries. So, a simple fix: dress like you would have for an interview in your own industry. Type 3, poor lighting, dark or shadow photos. So, make you look tired, unapproachable, or even suspicious. So, lighting affect how confident and trustworthy you appear. Simple fix: face natural light like a window, avoid harsh or overhead lighting. Type 4, blurry or low quality photos. A blurry photo screams low effort. Recruiters associate attention to details in your picture with attention to detail at your work. So, simple fix: use a modern smartphone camera and keep the image sharp. Type 5, cropped group photos. So, if I have to guess which person is you, that's already too much effort. So, cropped group photos look lazy and unintentional. A simple fix: use a solo headshot, face clearly visible, shoulders included. Type 6, overly serious or an angry expression. A stiff or an angry expression makes you look unapproachable, especially in leadership or client facing roles. This hurts more than you think. So, simple fix: relax your face, use a natural slight smile, that will do the wonders. Type 7, too much editing or filters. Heavy filters reduce trust. So, recruiters want to meet the real person, not a heavily edited version. Simple fix: adjust the brightness and contrast only. Keep it natural. Type 8, distracting background or a messy rooms, loud colors or a random objects. So they pull focus away from you. So your background should be support you, not compete with you. So simple fix: use a plain wall or maybe a blurred background or a clean outdoor setting. Type 9, outdated photos. So if your picture does not match how you look today, it's create instant disconnect. First impressions matter, especially in interviews. So simple fix: update your picture every 2 to 3 years or after some major changes. Your LinkedIn photo should answer one question: would I trust this person professionally? And if your photo is unclear, casual, outdated, or unprofessional, your profile will be ignored no matter how good your experience is. So, fixing your LinkedIn profile photo is one of the fastest career upgrades you can make. Friends, if this video helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe for more career growth tips. Thank you.